Welcome back to Cooking with Debbie Quick. Tonight I will be making a chicken stir fry, and there aren't too many ingredients needed for this recipe, so let's go take a look. All you need to make an easy stir fry is some kind of meat. I'm going with chicken tonight, but you can use either beef or pork or whatever you choose. Some rice, which I will be cooking that on the side in the rice cooker. Some vegetables. I decided to go with green beans, asparagus, and zucchini, but you can go with whatever vegetables you want. I do tend to change this up depending upon what my mood is. You can even, instead of getting fresh vegetables like I did, you can get prepackaged stir-fry vegetables in the produce section, or you can go over to the freezer section and they will also have bagged stir-fry vegetables with a mix. I began my preparation by cutting up my vegetables into bite-sized pieces, and also by cutting up my chicken into bite-sized pieces. I went with chicken tenders, but you can use whatever kind of chicken or any kind of meat that you want. And so now we'll get started here. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil into my wok and let that start heating up. And you don't have to use a wok, you can use any kind of a large frying pan, but I own a wok, so I'll use that. And while this oil is heating up, I am going to go ahead and start my rice in the rice cooker. Now that my oil has heated up a little, I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken. And then I will let this go ahead and fry up a little bit. Try not to take that off the stove while I get that in there. Okay. Now that the chicken is in there, I will go ahead and I will periodically turn it and get it cooked evenly. I let my chicken cook for roughly 10 minutes on a medium heat, stirring occasionally. Now it's time to push the chicken to the side. This way we can get our vegetables in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more olive oil. Now I will toss in my vegetables, and I'll spend probably about 5 minutes cooking this up. I don't like my vegetables to get too soft. A little bit dry still, so I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. Okay, so that's pretty perfect. I don't like my vegetables too soft, so I'm going to just cook this for maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll be back to add the stir-fry sauce. During the past 5 minutes, I've been stirring my vegetables occasionally, getting it mixed in with the chicken. And I did that so that nothing stuck to the bottom and the vegetables were able to cook up evenly. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in this Kikkoman stir-fry sauce. You don't have to use this. You can use whatever you prefer. I just happen to like this one, so this is what I'm going to go with. So I've added that in, and I'm just eyeballing it. I'm just cooking with love like I always do. I might go ahead and add just a little bit more. So you can see that I used just over half of the bottle. So now I'm going to let this heat up, and then I will lower the heat and just kind of let it sit for a couple minutes until the rice is done. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to bite into this. So yeah, so just let that warm up, And then I'm gonna lower the heat and stir occasionally, and my rice should be done soon, and I should probably have dinner on the table in less than 5 minutes. My rice is now done and my stir fry is done, so now it is time to go ahead and serve dinner. This all now looks and smells amazing. The rice is cooked to perfection, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this on my plate, and then we'll make it look pretty. Maybe add a little bit more to that. Oh, that looks so good. I love how good the rice comes out in the rice cooker. And then now we will go ahead and add in a little bit of our stir fry right on the top of that delicious looking rice. Okay, that looks perfect. I cannot wait to bite into that.